everyone, hope you all are doing well and doing safe. In today's video, I will be reviewing this Mother's Sparsh Turmeric Healing Skincare range, which consists turmeric healing face wash, turmeric healing day cream and turmeric healing night cream. So if you guys are interested to know how these products work and their benefits, then please keep on watching. So let's begin with the turmeric healing face wash, which is enriched with curcumin extract, which is known for its healing properties from ancient times and utilized as Ayurvedic home remedy. Because of its antioxidant and antibacterial properties, it helps in preventing acne, dark spots, rashes, pimples, also promotes blood circulation. It heals your skin from sun damage and post-acne blemishes and scars. Because of its regenerative properties, it helps in eliminating fine lines and wrinkles and all of those early aging signs. It effectively firms and retexturizes your skin while supporting healthy cell renewal. Now, this face wash is formulated with all the goodness of natural products like turmeric, gotu-kola and moringa. It will control oil without making your skin dry. Next, we have the turmeric healing day cream enriched with the nutrients of pure turmeric, gotu-kola and sunflower oil. Now, we all know that turmeric is known as the golden spice from the ancient time because of its benefits. This day cream will reduce acne scars, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and it will clear up all the acne breakouts from your face. It will maintain skin elasticity and it also supports healthy cell renewal. It will provide you healthy looking youthful skin by delaying all the signs of aging. This day cream is complete natural. It will lighten dark spots and blemishes. Now it will create a protective layer onto your skin which will be combating from all the free radical damages and pollutants out there. It has a very lightweight texture and absorbs quickly into your skin, so you don't have to worry, but take very less amount and massage it onto your skin so that the cream can penetrate deeply. Lastly, we have the turmeric healing night cream enriched with turmeric, gotu-kola, vijayam oil and saffron oil. So now you guys can understand that how this particular cream gonna work. This night cream has a very non-sticky formulation, repairs and revitalizes your skin, maintains hydration level which is most important. It has got all the natural components like vitamin E, saffron and carrot seed oil which stimulates skin generation naturally. This night cream will soften your skin, it will provide that uniform skin tone and will provide that radiant effect. Because of its antioxidant properties, it improves blood circulation and provides that deep moisturization that your skin actually needs. Again, you will need a very less quantity of this product. Apply it generously on your skin, massage it thoroughly so that the cream can penetrate deeply. So yeah, that's all. I really hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, then you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You have to give this video a thumbs up and do comment like what you feel. And I will provide the buying links in my description box below. So check out from there in case you are interested to buy. And yep, see you guys soon. Bye.